Hello beginners, I want to show you how to set your kiln for firing at a beginner level that will be safe for you, okay? First thing you want to do is make sure that your clay is bone dry all the way through. One way to check that is to feel it. The bone dry part should feel room temperature. If there are any wet spots, it'll feel very cold. So you just hold it to the top of your hand or on your cheek. If you feel a cold spot, there's a wet spot in there that will blow up on you. So you want to leave that in front of a fan, maybe about 12 hours, and then it'll be ready to fire. Okay. Now let's begin with firing earthenware clay. Okay. Earthenware clay, the first firing is going to be at cone 05. And this is how you program your kiln. So you're going to go to cone fire. And we're going to do cone 05, enter. Speed will be slow, always slow on bisque loads. Enter, no hold, enter again, enter one more time, and then you click start. Now you always want to check to see if you programmed it right, so you click review. And this is for a bisque earthenware load. And you see speed slow, no holes, and there you go. So let's stop that, and let me show you how to fire the glaze load for your earthenware clay. So you're going to go to cone fire. You'll hit 04, enter. Speed will be medium for glaze loads, enter. There's no holes. Enter one more time and then start. And let's review that. Let's see if I did it right. Cone 04, 1945. Speed will be medium. No holes, no delays. The alarm will go off at 10,000 degrees. All right, good job. All right, now I'll show you how to do a beginner firing for cone 6 clay. For the bisque load, you're going to do cone fire. You're going to go cone 04. Always type it in, even though it's there. Click enter. Speed, again, for bisque load will be slow. Enter. No hold. Enter one more time. And then you click start. Again, review to make sure you typed everything right. Cone 04. 1945 degrees, slow speed, no holes, no delays, and the alarm will sound at 10,000 degrees. All right. Click stop. Now let's get ready to do your glaze fire for cone 6 or stoneware clay. All right. So cone fire. We're going to go to cone 6, enter. Speed will be medium, enter. No hold, enter one more time, and then click start. Now review your program. And it is correct. All right, so that is how you fire for beginner level. Understand, this is for pieces that are a 1/4 of an inch thick or less. Okay.